The 911 GT3's interior has a few upgrades too. A drive mode button comes out of the 4 o'clock position on the steering wheel. Unlike the blocky design on other 992 generation Porsches, the PDK gearshift uses an adapted manual transmission lever, which seems more comfortable in the hand. The 4-way adjustable sports seats plus are standard, but buyers can option 18-way sports seats plus or carbon fiber full bucket seats, which cut about 26 pounds, 11.79 kilograms. The Chrono package is an option. It adds a stopwatch on the dashboard, a digital stopwatch in the instrument cluster, and supports the lap trigger for precisely keeping track of times on a circuit. The 2022 Porsche 911 GT3 evolves, but remains a purist sports car. The 992 generation GT3 is aggressively new with major suspension changes and a massive wing, while sticking with a naturally aspirated 4-liter flat-six. The 2022 Porsche 911 GT3 is finally here after several teasers and lots of spy shots chronicling the model's development. It will go on sale in the US this fall, and Porsche will announce pricing details closer to that time. The heart of the new GT3 is the naturally aspirated 4-liter flat-six engine that produces 502 horsepower and 346 pound-feet of torque. The engine revs to 9,000 RPM and features 6 independent throttle bodies. The company uses a new set of pistons versus the version of this powerplant in the limited-run 2019 911 Speedster. The 2022 911 GT3 comes standard with a 7-speed PDK. Buyers can also opt for a 6-speed manual. The powertrain with the PDK pushes the car to 60 miles per hour in 3.2 seconds, and the top speed is 197 miles per hour. The latest 911 GT3 lapped the 13-mile configuration of the Nurburgring Nordschleife in 6 minutes and 59.9 seconds. In comparison, the previous Gen GT3 needed 7 minutes and 12.7 seconds to cover the circuit.
Subscribe to Auto TV.